Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've been on YouTube, but I thought I would come back to you guys with another makeup look. This is my everyday glam look. Basic eye with a very bold lip. You guys know I love my lipstick, so let's get into this. First, I'm gonna put on my cat ears. You guys know I've been using this since the very beginning of my channel. I love this cat ears. It keeps my hair in place. Afterwards, we're gonna take my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion because all of the acne treatments dry out my skin. I just love this to help it keep moisturized. And then I'm gonna go into my Cover FX Mattifying Primer. This has salicylic acid inside of it to help with acne. I see an incredible difference using this product. I totally recommend it. Then I'm going to take my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is in the original. And just put that all over my eyes. And then pat it in with my finger. All those girls who have oily eyelids, I totally recommend this for you. Then afterwards, I'm going to go into my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. And just take a flat brush and just outline my eyebrow shape. I love this, especially when I haven't done my eyebrows. It just cleans up everything and make it look fresh and new. With a sponge, I'm just gonna go over it, make sure there's no harsh lines, no edges, just nice and seamless. Then I'm gonna take my Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define Foundation. I'm in the shade F13 and I'm just gonna put that all over my face, but you have to work with this pretty quickly because it dries down. People with dry skin will not like this foundation because of how matte it gets. But I'm just patting it in with a sponge. I really do like this foundation because it is full coverage. Then I'm going to go back into my concealer. If I didn't say the shade before, I'm in the shade Deep 46 and just put that all over my face, mainly on my under eyes, and I'm putting it on my eyelids today because I have a little trick for you. So starting with the places that don't crease the most, I'm going to blend that out and then work my way into the places that do crease the most, which is my under eyes and my eyelids. Just blend that out with a sponge. I love this sponge so much. It's incredibly helpful, especially when I'm doing my makeup in a rush. Then I'm going to take my RCMA No Color Powder. It's in the Laura Mercier packaging because this packaging is even easier to use, and I'm just going to dip my brush inside of it and just start with the places that crease the most, which is my under eyes and my eyelids, and just set those in place. I also put powder on my smile lines because I do get a lot of creasing. Whatever is left over on my sponge, I just put that all over my face and then blend it out right away. Then I'm going to go into this Fenty Beauty matte Skinstick in the shade Espresso. I'm just gonna put that under my cheekbones to define them and on my jawline, then blend them out with an angled brush. I really do love this product. It's so easy to work with. It's so creamy, and you guys can tell how much I'm blending, but it's so easy to work with. Then I'm gonna go into this Wet n Wild's contouring palette in the shade Caramel Truffle. I'm struggling a little bit here, but I'm going to go into the banana shade and just put this under my contour to define it a bit because I just like a sharp contour. And then I'm going to go into this Fenty Beauty Skin Stalk'r in the shade Coco Naughty with a big fluffy brush and just put that over my contour to bring a little warmth to my face because, you know, we just came out of winter. We need a little warmth. And then I'm going to just rub off all the bake that I have all over my face. Afterwards, I'm gonna go into this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This is literally like hairspray for your brows. It keeps them in place all day. I totally recommend it. And we're gonna go into this Benefit Roller Lash and then just put this all over my eyes. Then I realized that I was using my bronzer as a mirror and put it down, and then picked up my actual mirror and just continued with my mascara. I really do love this mascara because it gives my lashes a lot of length and separates them pretty well. I'm gonna go into this Wet n Wild highlighting powder. I forgot the shade, it'll be in the description, and I'm gonna go into this 823 brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's pretty pricey, but I totally recommend it because it gives you a nice glow every single time. I know a lot of highlighting brushes don't really deliver every single time, but this one does. Afterwards, I'm going to go into this Kylie Cosmetics Mary Jo K lip pencil, and I'm just going to line my lips and then fill them in. I really do love this. I kind of actually overline my lips a little bit, but you know, nobody can tell. Then I'm going to go on to this Kylie Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick. I really do love this shade of red. I feel like it works for so many different skin tones, and all I do is basically pat my lip together a couple times in order to get it to dry, and then afterwards we're going to go into the Skindinavia, the makeup finishing spray, and this is the oil control one, and just spray this all over our faces. And yeah, wait for it to dry and we're completely done. Thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for not uploading in such a long time, but I'm ready to get back into the works. If you guys enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.